With the full rollout of the system, the issue of undocumented traffic tickets across relevant agencies will become a thing of the past. The streamlined and integrated process is an upgrade from the 12-year-old traffic ticket management system. Once the traffic ticket is generated using the handheld device, the information will be available immediately to all stakeholders.
As we seek to improve the efficiency of our traffic enforcement operations, Major Technology Transformation Branch of the Ministry of National Security has led the process of transforming the traffic ticketing management system into an end-to-end digitized ticketing system. The e-ticketing system is indeed a fully integrated, modernized mobile traffic ticketing system that supports all the agents that are involved in traffic enforcement. The end-to-end digitization of ticketing system will go live on February 1, 2023. I'm appealing therefore to motorists to take note of a new system and a new date. Not only will it increase the efficiency of the public safety and traffic enforcement officers by ensuring that motorists who break the law receive with immediacy the prescribed consequence, but importantly, it will nullify also speculation, corruption, and avoidance. I implore all the motorists with outstanding tickets to make arrangements to have them paid by January 31st. As of the 31st of January, you will not be able to hide from being held accountable. Pay your tickets now. The government has agreed, and the appropriate resolution brought to Parliament to do two things. One, all tickets that are given before the 1st of February 2018 will have an amnesty. They're not being taken into account, and that resolution brought to Parliament. Tickets that have been paid between the 1st of February 2018, that's closure, brought to those tickets, until the 31st of January, will have all their demerit points expunged. All their demerit points, which allow for their license to be suspended or sometimes a period of time or other penalties executed based by the ITA, will be expunged. But we are not granting an amnesty for that period. You must pay your tickets for having breached the law.
With research showing that there are approximately 3,000 offenders, persons are urged to make use of the Saturday and night court sittings to settle outstanding tickets.
If you're not closed by the 31st of January, all the penalties will carry on into the new era, as well as the additional penalties to be brought in by the implementation or the beginning of the Road Traffic Act of 2018. The regulation will now be coming to force on the 1st of February 2023. So take advantage of this window of opportunity that has been provided by the government. Pay your outstanding tickets. The enhanced ticketing system guarantees that tickets and related information in the TTMS system will be accurate and readily available. It will lead to significant improvement in public order and safety as we are able to bring discipline to our roadways, and that's among the primary purposes of what we're doing.